Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to reassign the custom keys on ULEFONE Armor 21. So first, open the settings on your phone and scroll down to custom key. It should be right here. Now we have three options: single click, double click, and long press. For example, single click, let it be silent and ring mode. Double click, open flashlight. And long press to launch camera. And now we have right here, and as you can see, it is on silent mode, and it's not now. Double click, and it should, yes, camera, flashlight, sorry, and long press to open camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.